Di mo rin gets yung IBP? Same. Ganyan din ako last year eh. Pero ngayon na nagets ko na, isi-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano gawin yung IBP. Nang sa ganun, hindi lang ako yung nakakagets nun, right? Marami tayo. Teka. Kunin ko muna yung iPad ko. Pala, baka lumakas onte yung boses ko dun sa kabilang device ha. Kaya, volume down lang kayo ng onte. Let's start.
So let's evaluate the indefinite integral. For the first one, we have integral ng x ln x dx. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong product of two functions dito. Which is, kung i-consider natin, is itong x saka ln x. So gagamitin natin ngayon dito yung integration by parts. So we have integral ng u dv is equal to uv minus integral ng v du. Ngayon, ang hint ko sa inyo kung paano ba hanapin yung magandang representation for u tsaka v. Kasi dito, di ba, meron tayong integral ng u dv. So, yun yung isa-substitute natin ngayon dito. So, kapag sa u, pipili kayo dito ng isa, x or ln x. Kapag dv, hindi nyo napili dito sa x ln x as u, yun yung magiging kasama nung dx. Right? So, kung nyari, pipili kayo ng kasama ng dx na function, ang clue ko is dapat madali siyang i-integrate. Right? So, for example, dito, kapag ba nilet ko itong x, parang itong u is yung nilet natin na x, tapos yung dv, automatic yung natira na ln x dx. Okay, so try ko lang ha. Kapag ba in-integrate natin ito, kasi hanapin natin yung v kapag ba in-integrate natin to both sides, madali nating mahanap yung integral ng ln x dx. Mahirap, right? So, therefore, pwede nyo pagbalik ta rin. So, hanapin nyo yung madaling i-integrate na nakamultiply sa dx as yung dv nyo. Kasi wala naman tayong problema sa u kasi i-differentiate lang natin yan So, therefore, pagbalik ta rin natin. Ang ililet u ko is itong ln x kasi madali lang naman yan. I-differentiate lang natin 1 over x dx yan. X dx na lang yung ating dv. Kasi madali siyang integrate, power formula. So, therefore, we have du is equal to 1 over x dx. Kasi derivative ng ln x is 1 over x, right? And then, itong dv equals x dx. So, isosolve natin ngayon si v. So, integrate natin both sides. So, therefore, we have v is equal to x squared over 2 using power formula. So, no need to write c na dito, Okay? So, ngayon, pwede na natin i-substitute dito sa formula. U times v minus integral ng v du. So, u, we have ln x times v is itong x squared over 2 minus integral ng v, itong x squared over 2, and then, itong du is equal to 1 over x dx. Okay? So, parang we have x squared ln x over 2 minus, pag sinimplify natin to is yung 1/2 lalabas, tapos x squared divided by x is simply x dx. So, isa pang hint ko is kapag may case na parehong madaling i-choice nyo either yung dalawang function na nakamultiply as dv or u, I mean integrable, madaling i-integrate pareho kapag nilet dv nyo yung either of the factors ng dalawang functions. Ang next nyo namang i-consider is kapag sinubstitute nyo na dito sa actual formula na uv minus integral v du, yung kalalabasan nyo bang expression dito is madaling i-integrate. Okay? So, this time, madaling i-integrate to, diba? Integral ng x dx. So, therefore, okay yung substitution natin. Ngayon, kung hindi, pwede yung pagbalik ta rin. Try yung balik ta rin yung pinili yung u tsaka dv, since considering nga na wala namang problema kapag integrate natin yung dv kasi madali rin silang hanapin pareho. And then at the same time, yun yung most probably na mas madaling i-integrate kapag sinubstitute nyo dito sa mismong formula. Okay? So yun yung mga hint ko lang sa integration by parts Okay? So ngayon, simplify na natin. We have x squared ln x over 2 minus 1/2 integral nitong x is x squared over 2 and then lagyan na natin ng constant na plus c. So therefore, we have x squared ln x over 2 minus x squared over 4 plus c. So therefore, this is the final answer. Okay? Next, we have integral of x cubed times e raised to x squared dx. Okay, so integration by parts ulit, integral ng u dv is equal to uv minus integral ng v du. So, obviously, kapag nilet yun natin is itong e raised to x squared, tapos dv is itong x cubed dx, mas madali nating mahahanap si v, right? So, sige, try natin. So, u is equal to e raised to x squared, and then x cubed dx is automatic siya si dv. So, therefore, du is equal to e raised to x squared times derivative nitong x squared is 2x, then dx. Or 2x e raised to x squared dx. And then ito, pag in-integrate natin, masasolve natin si v as power formula x to the 4th over 4. Ngayon, try nga natin kapag sinubstitute ba natin dito sa formula na uv minus integral ng v du is madali nating ma-integrate itong expression na to. So, we have u times v is e raised to x squared times v na x to the 4th over 4 minus integral ng v na x to the 4th over 4 times du, which is itong 2x e raised to x squared dx. So, parang 2 over 4 or 1 half integral ng x to the 4th times x is x to the 5th e raised to x squared dx. Okay? So, I think complicated, diba? X to the 5th times e raised to x squared, right? So, therefore, pangat yung substitution natin na yon. Okay? So, palitan natin. So, mapapansin nyo, kahit kapag yung other way around naman, kapag ang nilet yun naman natin is itong x cubed, tapos yung dv is itong e raised to x squared dx, is mahirap i-integrate yung e raised to x squared dx, right? Pero pwede natin gawin, hatiin natin x squared times x e raised to x squared. Same lang naman yan dito, right? Ito ngayon yung ilet natin dv. Tapos ito lang si u. So sige, u is equal to x squared, then dv is equal to x e raised to x squared dx. Ito ma-integrate natin by u substitution, right? So du is equal to 2x dx. And integrating natin to both sides, we have v is equal to, pag nilatin nyo to, x squared. So parang du is equal to 2x dx. So divide both sides by 2, du over 2 x dx. So yung x dx, ito na yon, papalitan nyo ng du over 2. Parang integral na siya ng eu du over 2 or 1 half integral ng eu du, or simply 1 half eu. But yung u natin is x squared. Okay, so therefore v is equal this one, 1 half e raised to x squared. Okay, so ngayon try natin i-substitute dun sa formula. So we have u times v, u is x squared, tapos v is itong 1 half e raised to x squared, minus integral ng v na 1 half e raised to x squared, then du is 2x dx. So simplify natin, we have 1 half x squared e raised to x squared. Ito cancel, so magiging negative integral ng x e raised to x squared dx na lang. Okay, so ito integrable pa rin. Kanina nahanap na natin. Ito yun, di ba? So therefore, we have 1 half x squared e raised to x squared minus 1 half e raised to x squared plus c. Okay, so therefore, this is the final answer. Okay? Next, we have integral of x squared e raised to x dx. Okay, so integration by parts ulit. So, integral ng u dv is equal to uv minus integral ng v du. So, mapapansin nyo, either way, pwede nating ilet as partner ng dx kasi para silang madaling i-integrate right? So, magkakatalo na lang mamaya kapag yung kinalabasan ba nating expression dito sa integral ng v du is madali or mahirap integrate. So, kapag mahirap, pagbalik na rin natin yung substitution. Okay? So, sige, try muna natin na u is equal dito sa x squared. Tapos, e raised to x dx dv. Okay? So, therefore, du is equal to 2x dx, and then solving for v, we have integrate natin both sides to, we have v is equal to integral ng e raised to x dx is simply e raised to x din. So substitute ngayon natin. So we have integral ng u dv is equal to u times v, so u is x squared times v is e raised to x minus integral ng v na e raised to x, and then du is 2x dx. Okay? So, therefore, it is equal to x squared e raised to x. Itong si 2, labas ko na lang as constant. So, minus 2 integral ng x e raised to x dx. So, mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng integral na merong product of two functions na integrand, which is x times e raised to x. So, integrable pa rin siya, right? So, okay lang yung ginawa nating substitution. Pero, gagamit ulit tayo ng integration by parts kasi product of two functions uli yung naging integrand natin dito sa integral ng VDU. Okay, so let's say, let u prime naman tayo. Ito na lang si x ulit. Tapos, dv prime is equal to yung natira, e raised to x dx. So, integrating both sides, we have v prime is equal to e raised to x. So, substitute ulit natin, parang u prime, b prime, minus integral ng v prime, du prime. So, differentiate pala muna natin to. We have du prime is equal to dx. So, therefore, we have u prime times b prime is x e raised to x minus integral v prime is e raised to x, then du prime is dx. So therefore we have x e raised to x minus integral ng e raised to x dx is e raised to x na lang, right? So ngayon itong expression na to, papalitan na natin itong sagot niya na x e raised to x minus e raised to x. So parang x squared, so itong x squared times e raised to x minus 2 times itong quantity na to, x e raised to x minus e raised to x, and then plus c. So distribute na lang natin tong negative 2, we have x squared e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x plus 2 e raised to x plus c. Okay, so therefore this is the final answer.
Oh, andito ka pa rin pala. Well, that's good. Meaning, you're really interested para matuto about integration by parts. Ano pa inaantay mo? Go and start trying some examples about IBP at para na rin maging ready ka sa mga quizzes and exams mo. Anyway, again, this is Roland and good luck with your quizzes and exams.